Kublai ki viewers saya sempat hakani ka video ngan tip yang syukri hakabai day bat ka khubor kabawan long ba ka office jong ka Meghalaya Police dan ga Central Recruitment Board jong ka Meghalaya Police Shillong ba dang supply mata kasi kata santarik Desember ajar absau de sabhai kani ka video kamtame lada phi day ibadan thamai hagani ka video ba channel jonga so ha ba pin check ya ke video ha ba day ba ga Meghalaya Police ba pin yo iging tip ko bun ba kumjuru ba pin ya share like ba subscribe na ka banta hiway pa day ki notification ki banang wan ha ba day ba ikubor like kam de ngan police YP ha tin pareng ban ngan sabatai ya phi ha tin kasi na ka banta ki kun sama ba apply na banta take a pools jong ka Meghalaya Police. This is inform all the candidates that the physical efficiency test or PT, which was notified date long 7 November 2024, stand cancelled with immediate effect due to technical error concentrated during the PET conducted in 1st MLP Battalion, Maoyong, and 4th MLP Battalion, Sopian. Hence, fresh PT will be conducted for all the candidates, including for those candidates who appear in the PT conducted with effect from 18th of November to 21st of December 2024 at 1st MLP Battalion, Maoyong, and 4th MLP Battalion, Sopian. The revised date for the physical efficiency test PT are as follows. You see, for the serial number 1 and 2, date 13 to 20 December 2024, PET Center will be in 3rd MLP Battalion, St. Joy. And number 2, 6 to 11 January 2025. Number 1, 5th MLP Samanda Vilamnagar and 4th MLP Battalion Sopian Nongsainhima. And 13 January to 15 January 2025, number 1, 1st MLP Battalion Maoyong Shillong and 2nd MLP Battalion Grogare Tura. So candidate appearing for PT, 3rd MLP Battalion St. Joy are requested to kindly download their admit cards from the Meghalaya Police website, which will be available for download date from 6 December 2024. Admit card for candidates appearing in other PET centers will be available downloading from 16 of December 2024. So candidates are also required to kindly verify their information before downloading their admit cards, and option will be available to edit or correct the data online before generating the admit cards. Candidate opting for change in PT dates are requested to kindly submit an application to the Member Secretary Central Recruitment Board before the commencement of the PT. So furthermore, candidates are advised to regularly check the official Meghalaya Police website for updates. Tinakabanta ki parlok ki badai na po ka state Meghalaya kamtam ki khasi subhaban sam igani ka kubor ka notification kebelawan long ba ka Central Recruitment Board jong ka Meghalaya Police kalong ba nakadaw ka jingpan sangeno ya ka PET ka ba lapenlong lane ka bagi lamut ban pelong untuk ka khat prau no bomba hadu arpoi tarik December jawab sau nakadaw ka jingtut jong ka technical errors di ka Central Recruitment Board kala penbait biang ya kitarik ban pelong biang sachisin na kamenta ka PET ka batmai lan ka physical efficiency test ka batmai tikamta la kapat ya ki candidates ki ba an sa yale lan ki ben syumata ha kan ka PET sumpha ba pin ya skapha lan page bha ya kini ki tarik harum na kamenta ka number ka ban kong ban ar khalai tu ar photorik December ajar absau ka physical efficiency test center kan day hapo 3rd MLP Battalion St. Joy. Ba nadu Tarik hadu khadwai tarik u January arjar absan pade Ka 5th Battalion MLP Battalion Samantha William Nagar bat ka 4th MLP Battalion Nongstoin Sopian tikan mau bah ndriu hadu khadwei tarik January arja rapsan kandon ha Nongstoin Sopian bat khalai hadu khatsan tarik u February khalai tarik January hadu khatsan tarik February kandon ka first MLP Battalion Mauyong Shillong but ka second kan day hapo second MLP Battalion itu Gray Tura tikan mau bahan nak benta ki candidates ki badai ki bahap hapo Mauyong Shillong kan day nadu khatlai January hadu khatsan tarik February ajar absan tikam tala kepat saya simpan yagi candidates bikin subha ban download yaki admit card ki jongpi haswa pin le ban le yakateka physical efficiency test balaka paru yaki candidates ki ban simta haka lai khalai hadu arpotrik u December subha ban download no yaki admit card ki jongpi nadu laisai kesi kata kabade deutrik u December shakman ban nak banta kiwi padi candidates ki ban saile nadu ka Hendriu tarik hadu khadwe bat khalai hadu khatsan February kila ban download yaki admit card ki jongpi nadu khandriu tarik December tete te kumta lada phi don ai ki jing bakla hapo ki admit card ki jongpi ki ba phila de ban yu I haki por ki ba minchwa phila ru ban le ya kata da ka ba phi edit lane correct ya kita ki jing bakla ki jongpi hashwa ba pin and download yaki admit card ki jongpi te kumta lagar paru yapi kogi candidates ki balong successful nam ta ban chimata ya ketika PET subha ban call ya kite ki number driu non lai lai iwe driu sau ar nyau lai ti utei udei number hapo ka office jonga central recruitment board telada pidon ai jingkli ka bede bat ka admit card ki jongpi lane pikwa ban chain lane ban pankala ya ka physical efficiency test lane ka PET nakawi katarik shakawi pede te pila ban call ya gite ki number ki bangala de ban pensingo shafi ban nakabenta ba pin chain ya ka dates nakabenta ka PET pihak ban tho ya ka application bat sa submit ka office jong ki member of secretariat kata kabade jong ka central recruitment board before the commencement of the PET lane haswa ba an sapalong ya kate ka PET tenga try plus utu hakabay day but kate ka tarik jong ka physical efficiency test na wish you all the very best le ba nang ne shakmat nang ba ki jingkwa but ki jingtumu jingpi in saulong stay safe god bless you